Hello and welcome to The Kid in the City. My name is Jonte. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me on all social media channels at The Kid in the City. If this is not your first time, welcome back. You already know we're getting into another eyeshadow detail. So this nice eyeshadow look, we are using 2 palettes instead of 1. So if you want to see how I achieve this nice, easy eyeshadow look, stay tuned because we're jumping right into the eyeshadow detail right now. Here it is. Okay, so we're back with another eyeshadow detail, and today I'm actually going to use 2 palettes. So the first palette that I'm using is the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm going to open this up so you can see all the colors. I've used this palette 1,000 times before. It's definitely one of my favorites. And then I'm also using 1 shade from the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna open this up so you can see these colors. I'm only gonna use 1 shade from this palette though. So it's mainly gonna be the Jackie Aina palette that we're gonna go in with today. Okay, so for this, the first shade that I'm gonna go in with is Sponsored. So Sponsored is this nice green shimmer, and I'm gonna put that right on the inner part of the eye. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with Lituation. And this is going to be the transition shade from that green. So I'm going to put that right where the green ends. I'm going to start Lituation and put that to the outer part of the lid. There's a little bit of fallout, but that's okay. Like that, right? So that's going to be Lituation. And you see there's a little fallout under the eye, which my concealer and everything will fix that. So I'm not tripping about that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to my Soft Glam palette, and I'm gonna go in with Cypress Umber, which is this nice dark brown. And Cypress Umber, I'm gonna put that right on the outer part of the eye, right there. And I wanted to use Cypress Umber because it's a little deeper of a brown than the one that's in the Jackie Aina palette. And again, I low-key want this to be a little smoky because my outfit is black. So I want the brown to be dark. And we're just gonna put that. And we're just gonna bring it up a little bit towards the front of the eye, but really we're just smoking out this end part right here. And put a little down here. And then with the fluffy, just gonna go ahead and blend that outer part out right to the brow bone. Go back in with a little more Cypress.
Music licensing reimagined.
Super cute. So I am gonna go back with Lituation. With Lituation and Sponsored, just to fill some more of that on the inner part of the eye.
Artlist.io.
And I think that's gonna be it. I think this is gonna be it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, a little color, a little muted. Again, I'm wearing all black, so I want it to be like a smoky glitter. So this is the eye so far, what we have. So now I'm just gonna copy and paste. Okay, so this is where we are with the eyeshadow so far. I am gonna clean it up, do the rest of the glam. I am gonna do a little on the bottom lid. So we're gonna fast forward and I'll be back to continue the eye look using the 2 eyeshadow palettes today. Oh. Using the 2 eyeshadow palettes today. But I'll be back with the rest of the look. Okay, so this is the glam so far. The glam still isn't done, but I do want to go ahead and finish the bottom lid. So I'm going to go back in with Cypress Umber of the Soft Glam palette. And I'm just going to put that brown right at the bottom and then kind of just smoke it out. I'm not going to put the green on the bottom, and I'm actually not even going to bring that brown all the way to the inner part of the eye. It's just going to stay like right around here, and then I'm going to just smoke it out to the inner part, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's what we're about to do.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, then I'm going to take another short and like firm brush like this, and I'm just going to smoke it out. Like so. So this is going to be the bottom lid. Again, nothing crazy. Like so. And that's just going to be the bottom lid. So now we're going to copy and paste. Okay, so these are the bottom lids. Again, nothing too crazy. I am going to add a little eyeliner to the bottom waterline and then some mascara. And again, I'm not bringing the eyeliner all the way up. I'm literally just bringing the eyeliner where the shadow is, basically on the bottom, but not the whole way.
Artlist.io.
Cute, count, counts.
Music licensing reimagined.
That's the mascara. Okay, so here we are with the final eyeshadow look. This is what we have on the lid. Did do a little bit on the bottom lid, a little mascara, but I am obsessed with this. Again, use 2 palettes from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Why do I keep doing that? Use 2 palettes from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Jackie Aina collab palette and the Soft Glam palette to achieve the look. It came out perfect. I wanted to do like a smoky eye with some shimmer that would go good with the all black outfit, not too much. I think the look came out perfect. I'm super excited about it. Thank you so much for sticking around. If you want to see the full glam for like the full makeup look, I'm going to tag it right here and you can check that out as well. But again, thank you so much for tuning in. That is all for today. Another eyeshadow look in the books. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with the kid. And for that, I thank you. until next time, bye.